Hey yo buddy, welcome to a new Flashback Friday video here on my channel where I'm watching music videos in the virtual reality. And yeah, today I'm going to continue my little Gfriend journey, and today I'm going to watch one of the, if not the, most underrated Gfriend song there is. Today we are going to check out Summer Rain. It's going to be beautiful, it's going to be melancholic, guys. I hope you're as excited as I am, so let's jump right into the reaction. Alright guys, we're watching Summer Rain in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. I really looked forward to this. Oh, look at those white dresses, dude. Because Summer Rain is one of my absolute favorite Gfriend songs, and it is also, unfortunately, one of the, if not the most underrated. Did I say that in the introduction already? I think I did. But I can't stress this enough. Look at this. Oh. Those sad faces, we will see a lot of those. Oh, that part. Oh. Dude, I'm getting such flashbacks. I really have to watch this MV more often. But the reason why I'm not watching it as often as other Gfriend MVs is pretty easy. It's so sad. I mean, so sad. Even though she was smiling so cutely. Oh. Good. This innocent, natural style Summer Rain has. I think in my last reaction I said that Love Whisper is probably the most innocent one. I'm not sure. Now, it probably is, because this one, Summer Rain, it is super innocent, but it still has this... How do I say this? This hardship, this depressive feeling that just kind of stains the pure innocence that was a Love Whisper, and that is exactly what I love about Summer Rain. I thought there was someone. Oh, this dance move. The way they're showing the tear that is falling down the ground. Oh. One of my favorite dance moves of Gfriend. It's simple, but it has impact. I still remember how it was when the promotion for Love Whisper ended and they jumped right into the promotion for Summer Rain. Boah, that was intense. And the ending. The ending. Look at this pose. It's probably my second favorite ending for Gfriend choreos. My favorite is Time for the Moon Night. Second this, and I think third is probably Rough. But the way they're forming this flower all together. Aww. That thing, by the way, I always have to think of it when I see this. Am I the only one there? Okay, guys, let's... Wait, where's the spacebar? Let's watch it again. 3, 2, 1, let's go. And the way the choreo starts the exact same way that it stops. Like everything that we see here is going to happen again and again and again and again and again. Fury. Look at those white dresses, dude. They are so innocent here. Although it kind of feels like with this they try to hold on to this innocence that is kind of gone now because of what happened in the storyline. You know what I mean? The white dress. They're so simple yet so beautiful. And also, what also adds to this innocence is the supernatural style they all have. Like no colored hairs, pure natural girls. So sad. The good thing about those about the headset here is that you can't see me cry under it. Oh, this hairstyle of YouTube. Smooth. And look, Unhal, like she was so happy, ready to go on a date or something like this, and someone broke her heart with whatever. I mean, I've got some theories, but let's not go to those dark places. Even though it's hard not to when you see this. We all know exactly what happened. I simply can't accept that this is like the least popular Gfriend title track. It's just so not fair. No one ever speaks about the song. Dude, stop. Oh, on a little boat. Let's watch it once more, guys. Where's the spacebar? Where is the space? There's the spacebar. Free. What else do we have, by the way? Oh, into the new one. No. No, into the new world now. It's Gfriend's time to shine. Oh, the piano. Most adorable.
The way she's sitting right next to those sunflowers. Umji. Did you see Yirin? When she was doing that move? Did I imagine it, or was she like smiling a bit? I mean, I'm saying this in every Flashback Friday, but the fact to see this in this like cinema style panorama, this adds so much to this feeling. Oh my god. Alone on the swing. Oh, you too. Shit, I love it so much. This move too. There's so many cool choreo parts in the song too, and still people sleep on it. Her acting, dude, give her the freaking Oscar. This is, by the way, the most dramatic scene from all MVs I've ever seen. And not just standing in the rain. There's someone just modeling there. Those puppy eyes, dude. The soft, adorable smile. And she's just straight up depressing. And this is so it. This is so it. Oh, guys. That was it. That was my... Oh. Ow. My reaction to Gfriend's Summer Rain. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. An outstanding ballad in my opinion, and still a shame that so many people aren't able to see that. It's one of my absolute favorite songs of Gfriend. It's outstandingly beautiful, both vocal and visual wise. Yeah. And it kind of marks the end of the whole Innocence saga, I'd say, of Gfriend, of the whole Innocence period. Because after that, if I'm not mistaken, we have Time for the Moonlight. And you already have this melancholic vibe in Summer Rain, but in Time for the Moonlight, in my opinion, they mastered it. With the mix, with the orchestral sound. So guys, next week we are going to watch Time for the Moonlight, my absolute favorite Gfriend song, and one of my top 3 favorite songs of all time. So I'm super excited for it. I hope you are too, guys, and I hope I'll see you next time to the next video. So thank you for your attention and bye.